Today I am reviewing the Cooler Master NR2 Pro Mini ITX gaming PC. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. Let's break down what makes this system a true powerhouse in a mini ITX form factor. At the heart of this build is the AMD Ryzen 9800X3D processor, running at a solid base clock of 4.7 GHz with turbo boost speeds up to an impressive 5.2 GHz. This 8-core, 16-thread CPU is built on AMD's latest architecture, featuring 3D V-cache technology. That means it excels at gaming and tasks that demand quick data access, such as video editing and 3D rendering. Whether you're playing demanding AAA titles or running multiple demanding apps, this CPU keeps everything smooth and responsive. Paired with the CPU is the Gigabyte RTX 5080 16GB GPU, one of the most powerful graphics cards available in 2025. This GPU delivers jaw-dropping visuals and rock-solid frame rates on modern games. With this setup, you can easily push beyond 120 frames per second on high or ultra settings at 1440p resolution, making it perfect for competitive gamers and those who crave silky, smooth gameplay. Plus, with 16 GB of GDDR6X VRM, you have enough headroom for the most graphically intensive games, VR, and even creative workloads like video editing or 3D modeling. Now, one of the most impressive things about this PC is how Cooler Master packed such power into a compact 18.25-liter NR200p max case, roughly the size of a large shoebox. This makes it an ideal choice if desk space is limited, or if you want a portable powerhouse that you can easily move to LAN parties or gaming events without lugging around a bulky tower. Cooling is no afterthought here. The system comes with a 280mm AIO liquid cooler, providing efficient thermal management to keep your CPU temperatures in check during long gaming sessions or intense multitasking. The case supports excellent airflow, and you have options for either a tempered glass panel or mesh panel, balancing aesthetics with ventilation. This thoughtful cooling design means you get consistent performance without thermal throttling or excessive noise. Memory and storage are another highlight. You get a whopping 32 GB of DDR5 RAM clocked at 6000 MHz, ensuring ultra-fast data access and seamless multitasking. Whether you're gaming, streaming, or working with large files, this memory setup can handle it all effortlessly. The RAM also features sleek RGB lighting with heat sinks, adding vibrant colors to your setup without compromising performance. Storage-wise, you have a massive 2TB Gen4 NVMe SSD. This next-gen storage drive loads your games, applications, and files in seconds, with blazing fast read/write speeds thanks to the PCIe 4.0x4 interface. Whether you're transferring huge video files or launching your favorite games, this drive eliminates waiting times and keeps your system snappy. Connectivity is comprehensive with a full set of ports to cover all your needs. USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type-C, 5 USB 3.2 ports, HDMI, 2 display ports, plus Wi-Fi and Bluetooth for wireless convenience. Audio inputs and outputs are included as well, making it easy to hook up headsets or external speakers. Another thing to mention is the clean Windows 11 Home installation without any bloatware, so you get a fresh, optimized experience right out of the box. This PC is ready to go from day one.